Understanding Silicone Gaskets, a comprehensive guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the term silicone gasket. This might be a new phrase for many of you, so we'll break it down and explain it in a simple and engaging way. Before we delve into silicone gaskets, it's important to understand what a gasket is. A gasket is a mechanical seal that fills the space between two or more mating surfaces, generally to prevent leakage from or into the joined objects while under compression. Gaskets are commonly made from a variety of materials, each suitable for specific environments and applications. In this section, we focus on silicone, a versatile and resilient material often used in making gaskets. Silicone is known for its heat resistance, flexibility, and durability, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, including in engines, electrical appliances, and even in the food industry. We'll explore why silicone is a preferred material for gaskets. Here, we'll discuss the various applications of silicone gaskets. They are essential in providing seals in environments that involve extreme temperatures and conditions. From your car's engine to your kitchen blender, silicone gaskets play a crucial role. Understanding these applications will give you a practical context for this term. In this section, we will connect the concept of silicone gaskets to everyday life. You'll learn how these seemingly small components are crucial in the functioning of many common devices and systems, emphasizing the importance of silicone gaskets in modern technology. And that's a wrap on silicone gaskets. We hope this video has been enlightening and has given you a better understanding of this important but often overlooked component. Remember, learning new terms not only expands your vocabulary but also your knowledge of how things work in the world around you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.